Yogyakarta State University is one of the universities in Yogyakarta which always strives to form excellent students by focusing on educational and non-educational science through various faculties. The Faculty of Social Science is one of the faculties at Yogyakarta State University which aims to produce reliable graduates in the fields of education and social sciences. Pancasila and Civic Education is one of the A-accredited study programs at the Faculty of Social Sciences. The Pancasila and Civic Education study program will produce educators who have academic and professional competencies as well as competitive and responsive to various problems of the nation's life as well as the development of science and technology that is in line with the vision and mission. Pancasila and Civic Education Study Program seeks to develop an institutional system of study programs that have an educational identity so they can produce educators who have superior competence in the field of the civics education studies. Lecture activities in the Civic Study Program are carried out by the independent learning curriculum of the independent campus which has been prepared based on the strategic plan of the Faculty of Social Science and Yogyakarta State University for 2020 to 2025 to accelerate the achievement of Yogyakarta State University to become a world-class university in 2025. Lecture activities are carried out through the face-to-face implementation by providing lecture materials directly under the guidance of the professional lecturers by utilizing the various lecture platforms such as Google Meet, Zoom Meeting, Bismarck, and so on. UNY's PPKM study program seeks to develop an institutional system of study programs that can become institution of national character development for the realization of the democratic and responsible citizens. The Three Dharma of higher education is also carried out by the spirit of the academic freedom, upholding Indonesian values and internalizing the character of piety, independence, and scholarly. Education and teaching at the PPKN Yogyakarta State University study program are academic and professional in the field of the civic education based on political science, law, morals, and philosophy.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Program studi PPKN S1 Phase UNY ingin menghasilkan lulusan yang unggul, kreatif, inovatif, berlandaskan ketakwaan, kemandirian, dan kecendekiaan, berwawasan nasional dan global, serta berdasarkan Pancasila dan Undang-Undang Dasar 1945. Adapun dari visi tersebut secara garis besar 3 saja misi prodi PPKN Phase UNY, yaitu ingin menyelenggarakan pengajaran di bidang PPKN yang semakin berkualitas, menyelenggarakan penelitian di bidang PPKN yang semakin berkualitas, dan yang ketiga ingin melaksanakan pengabdian kepada masyarakat di bidang PPKN yang semakin berkualitas. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The success of lecture activity is routinely supported by the ability of the civic study program lecturers who always prioritize the innovations, creation, and professionalism so that lecturers run optimally and produce graduates who are capable, skilled, and can contribute to national building.
saya mendapatkan ilmu yang bermanfaat sehingga dapat menunjang karir saya saat ini. Menjadi seorang guru itu menjadi ladang amal bagi diri saya sendiri apabila saya mampu memberikan ilmu yang bermanfaat kepada peserta didik saya atau siswa-siswa saya. Kemudian yang kedua yaitu saya ingin mengambil peran kecil tapi memiliki pengaruh yang besar bagi negara kita, yaitu ingin ikut mencerdaskan kehidupan bangsa.
Di sini saya belajar tentang banyak hal, terutama yang pelajaran paling saya dapat adalah bagaimana menerapkan nilai-nilai Pancasila. Yang awalnya saya dulu cuek, tidak begitu peduli, dengan belajar di PPKN menjadi lebih peka. Selain itu, di PPKN itu tidak melulu belajar tentang pendidikan, tapi banyak ilmu yang kita dapatkan seperti public speaking. Di sini juga diajarkan kewirausahaan. Walaupun saya lulusan S1-nya dari jurusan PPKN, tapi saya bergelutnya di bidang usaha lain, di bidang Biro Perjalanan Wisata. Ilmu yang saya dapatkan selama belajar di PPKN, di prodi PPKN seperti public speaking, itu saya terapkan juga dalam usaha saya yang sekarang. Jurusan PPKN juga bisa menghasilkan lulusan yang bisa dan luwes dalam berwirausaha.
The brilliant achievements are certainly supported by facilities from the Pancasila and Civic Education Study Program. One of the facilities is a laboratory room, and support from the academic community to develop deliberation skills, critical thinking skills, and add insight related to the science relevant to the Pancasila education and civic science. The Pancasila and Civic Education Study Program also has an internal organization, namely the Himpunan Mahasiswa. There are various Pancasila and Civic Education Study Program activities, both HIMA activities and Civic Study Program laboratory activities, as well as various other activities created between the students, between the lecturers, as well as collaboration between the lecturers and the students. These various activities, of course, are able to lead the students to achieve various national and international achievements. The existence of the Civics Journal, Civic Studies Media as the official journal of Yogyakarta State University in collaboration with the Association of Indonesian Pancasila and Civic Education Professionals, which focus on scientific studies and professional lectures in civic discourse and practice, is clear evidence of the implementation of the Dharma of higher education in the field of research and development. This is the Pancasila and Civic Education Study Program of the Yogyakarta State University, which continues to develop the study of civic education as a forum for developing national character, with the competence to form good citizens and have moral, political, and legal awareness based on Pancasila and the Undang-Undang Dasar Negara Republik Indonesia tahun 1945.